Well, it is an overload of home improvement inspiration here on your Feel Good Breakfast show. And if ever there was a case of a friend in need being a friend indeed, it's the fantastically helpful new chain of Leroy Merlin. They've got this do-it-yourself home improvement stores. Now, they assist customers to imagine, create and decorate the home of their dreams and to see how hassle-free they can make the process. Now, Tsulu took in to one of their stores, their new epic stores, and this is what he got up to.
Leroy Merlin is one of the leaders in home improvement with over 120,000 employees in 800 stores across the world. They finally set foot in Africa, and I'm here in Greenstone at their very first store to see it all for myself. Walking into the Greenstone store today is really exciting. I mean, I expected it to be big, but I didn't think it would be this massive. There's such a huge variety of products across all departments, from bathroom to kitchen to gardening and so much more. This really is a one-stop shop for everything home improvement.
Leroy Merlin is certainly not your traditional hardware store. We are extremely competitively priced. Simply put, we offer the best price on the market. You can take a stroll through the aisles right now using your phone, compare prices online, and you'll find that we still offer the best price on the market. We offer an extremely wide range full of innovative concepts, different styles, vibrant colors, all geared to meet the requirements of customers. The most important aspect to experience here at Leroy Merlin is the team. Our team is extremely friendly, helpful and knowledgeable. As soon as you step into the store, the atmosphere and energy that you feel is phenomenal.
You can get your Leroy Merlin home card in store or by downloading the My Home Card app and reap the benefits of getting a 30-day promotional price guarantee, receipt-free returns, and priority in Leroy Merlin's DIY workshops.
Leroy Merlin consists of 6 main markets, namely construction, hardware, kitchen, bathroom, decor and garden, to cater for all your DIY needs. And man, I feel like a kid in a candy store exploring all these aisles.
Leroy Merlin offers an array of DIY services ranging from our one-of-a-kind building materials drive-through, where you can get anything in a quick and efficient way. Other than that, you can use our online kitchen 3D design software, which allows you to have a say in your kitchen design from beginning to end. If you want to go more personalized, we offer customization products in kitchen, bathroom, lighting and decor, so you can literally decorate your home to your heart's desire, making your home the best place to live.
Leroy Merlin takes a holistic approach to home improvement. They offer much more than just building materials. You'll find an incredible variety of home decor items, and they've got the outdoors covered as well.
In our garden and landscape offerings, we've got quite an enormous range of the product that will help you to choose the smart choice. Okay, as you can see here, I've got all these grasses we pack according to the ascending order. The first one, we've got 1.6 mil, we've got 2 mil, we also got 3.6 mil. So it will help you according to your budget to accommodate all customers. So today I'm going to tell you the difference with the compost and the fertilizer. The compost is a soil improvement. That's when you mix it with the normal soil just to make the soil fertile. And then the fertilizer, that's when you want to give your plants the nutrients.
Leroy Merlin employees are above all sales advisors who offer each customer proper advice on which solution to choose and how to use or install a product.
I really love how Leroy Merlin have incorporated the digital age in their offering. They have a click and collect system where you can order your products online and come and collect them in store within 2 hours. They also have a really fun, cool, interactive website where you can actually design your own 3D home renovation. Talk about progressive and forward-thinking customer service. These guys are on it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Whether you're looking to build or renovate your home, create a relaxed outdoor living space, or just embark on a simple DIY project, Leroy Merlin has something for everyone. They truly do let you make your home into the best place to live. On that note, I think I found my next DIY project.
Oh Oh man, I love you, dude. I love you so much. I love you so much, boy.
inspiration.
Oh man.
So whether you're looking to renovate or just reinvent, one thing is certain, that Leroy Merlin is any homeowner's wonderland.
And if you're not based in Jersey, don't worry, don't fret. You can visit them online. They've got a fantastic online digital presence. As Tola said, leroymerlin.co.za is where you can find some incredible deals and inspiration.